Welcome to Precalculus class. Today I'm gonna teach you how to evaluate logarithms. I have one problem here, log 9 of the base 9. Okay, before to work in this this problem, let me remember you some ideas. For instance, the logarithm of x with a base b is defined as a log x equals y of the base log of the base b of x equals y if only if b to the y power must to be equals x, where x greater than 0 and then b greater than 0 and b must be different of 1, right? This is the main idea, the main concept before that we have to understand before to solve evaluated logarithms. All right, so keep in your mind this concept. All right, and then let's go and solve our first problem. All right, so we have log 9 with the base 9. At least here, so use the go logarithmic expression to write an exponential equation. All right, and then in this case with the base, the base with the base 9. All right, and then solve it. Okay, so here let x equals the value of the logarithm. All right, so let's go. Then we have here the next step, convert. We have to convert the logarithm equation, to an exponential equation. All right, so first is very easy. Right here you have this problem. So the first step, write 9 to the x power equals 9. All right, this is convert to the logarithm equation to an exponential equation. All right, here is 9 equals 1. All right, so here we have 9 to the x power equals 9 to the first power. So here set the exponential here. Set the exponential, or set the exponent here. Set the exponent equal. Alright, that's it. So x here, x equals 1. The conclusion, so log 9, log 9 or the base 9 is equals what? Is equals 1, right? That's it. That's our first problem. Okay. Now let me erase this and then solve another problem. Let me show you another problem. Okay, next problem will be evaluated log 7, the base 7, alright? So here, next step, let x equals, here I told you the value of the logarithm. Alright, so then we have here 7x equals to the 7. Alright, here 7 is equal 7 to the first power, right? That means. So now in the next step here, 7x, 7 to the x power is equal 7 to the first power. Here set the exponent even or equals. Set the exponent equals. Alright, then we have x equals 1 again, so the log 7 to the base 7 is equals 1. It's like to this the problem before. Let me show you another one, different problem here. This one, look this one. This one is a log of 36 with the base 6. Alright? With the base 6. So next step, convert the logarithm equation to the exponential equation. Convert the logarithm equation to the exponential equation. Where is the next step then? Here we will equals to the here 6 to the x power equals 36. Alright? So now here 36 is equals 6 to the second power, right? It's a little bit different from the problem before. So now here 6 to the x power is equals 6 to the second power. Then set up here the exponential equals. So will be equals here x is equals 2, right? So our conclusion, so log 36 the base 6 is equals 2, right? So that's it. Thank you to be in Precalculus class. See you next time.